Smart Gold Scalper versus Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor review. In Smart Gold Scalper, we deposited 80k cents and the current balance is 104,677.00 in a span of 11 weeks. And the drawdown, the maximum drawdown has been 8.43, monthly is 9.92 and the daily is 0.32. This is Smart Gold Scalper on a medium risk setting. So here is the deposit, 80k. It is 80021.97. That's not exactly the deposit. The deposit is 80k and the profit is 24,665.03 with Smart Gold Scalper. Let's go to Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor on medium risk setting. With a deposit of 100k from July 6 till today, that is August 14, it is 5 weeks. And it has achieved a profit of with a deposit of 100k, it has achieved 134,992, that is approximately 135k as a balance and equity, and the maximum drawdown that has been 9.81% for Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor for medium risk settings. Here, as you can see, with a deposit of 100k, the current profit is 35,041.28 with Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor medium risk setting. And let's see how it works. These are the few trades going on right now with Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor. This expert advisor uses Trend Gold. It trades on gold and uses hedging strategy as well as scalping strategy both, and it uses grid as well. We have created multiple settings for this expert advisor, and we have uploaded videos on high risk setting, that is aggressive risk setting earlier, and now we are working on this medium risk setting from last 5 weeks on this particular account. This is a demo account. I'm telling you upfront, this is a demo account, and we are trying this gold expert advisor and see how it reacts in various kind of market situations, since the expert advisor is new and the settings are very new. And along with that, actually we have created another expert advisor, the new version of this expert advisor, that like here in Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor version 2.3, but we are only using the original version as of now. In the version 2.3, what you will find that we have used equity protection as a drawdown or maybe equity stop and stop loss, actually all three of them, but we will use one or two out of them. The news filter, then session filter, that which session you would like to trade with, and the news if you would like to use. And another good thing that it use, the new version will use auto compounding. You can just set a value that at what value you would like to compound your account. Okay, so these are the additions for version 2.3, which we have not created any videos yet since we are still working on its settings, but the EA has been created. Okay, so this is how the Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor works on the medium risk setting. And let's go to Smart Gold Scalper and see how it works. So we already saw this, and let's go to the trades, current trades going on right now. So these are the ongoing trades. As you can see, it uses counter trading as well as scalping both. Okay, and you will see that the initial bias is buy. Okay, but it has also taken the sell trades as well, and just see like how the lot sizes go. Okay, it uses to take it in grids and will increase the lot size very gradually, very slowly. Okay, and keep your account a little bit for more longer. It uses counter trading, as you can see, that buy and sell both at the same time. But the number of buys and number of sells are different because this is not a hedging strategy, this is scalping strategy with counter trading. While Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor has 3 parameters. When it opens and closes the trades, it uses buy stop and sell stop, and also to do the hedging strategy, it has inbuilt parameter. When those parameter meets, then it uses the hedging strategy. Otherwise, it also uses the counter trading strategy at the initial. And we have created its multiple settings, 3 settings, and this is the second setting that we are testing. The high risk setting that we have already created multiple videos, and the low risk setting, it uses stop loss as well. But in the medium and high risk setting, there is no stop loss, while we are implementing the missing features in the version 2.3, which will be released maybe in few weeks with proper settings. So as of now, we are trading with Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor in the original setting, and these are the running trades and running trades of Smart Gold Scalper, as you can see it over here. So it has sustained for over 11 weeks as of now, and the Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor also stands for 5 weeks. So we can find the difference in drawdown percentage as well as the profit, but yes, the strategies for both the expert advisors are different, and the risk appetite would be different. So please let me know in the comments which expert advisor do you think is the best, and out of these two, and we will create other videos on that, and we are working on multiple expert advisors in the background, and we will be sharing the videos while testing with them very shortly. So thanks for staying with me, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any query, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram. Details are in the video description. Thank you very much.